It's week 10, day 1. We're in the last 3 weeks of the program. So the rep ranges are starting to go way down as I close in around what my final maxes are going to be. So today I have squats and I'm going to be doing 340 for 2 sets of 3. I'm assuming it's going to feel kind of heavy because I think last week I did 335, but I don't know. I might bump it up to 345 if I'm feeling good. But I'm assuming I'm just going to stay at 340, so we'll see. Week 10, day 2, we got bench today. 230 pounds for 2 sets of 2, I believe. Hopefully that goes well. Woo! I missed 3, 2, 1. Right way. It's week 10, day 3. We got some deadlifts today. I got 400 for 3 sets of 2. This is really gonna hurt my back, and I already have like a strain from benching for some reason. My neck like hurts to turn my neck. So hopefully that doesn't interfere with it, but maybe if I get some good music, I get pumped up or something, I might be able to pull this off the floor pretty easily. I know last back day it was not that easy, and I noticed my back was rounding, so I'm gonna try to focus on staying tighter, but I'm sure I'm still gonna have rounding. But anyway, let's do it. Look how ridiculous this looks. I don't have any more 45-pound plates, so the only way for me to make them is to put on more weight on the side. But yeah, this is 400 pounds. I should have just bumped up to 405, but See, all I have left are literally 210s, so I don't remember what I'm deadlifting next week. It's probably somewhere around like 415 or 420, something like that. I don't know, but I only have enough weight for 425 pounds, so anything above that, I'm gonna have to go to the rec center here. And yeah, so I think for the last 2 weeks or something, I'm probably gonna have to go there, especially for when I'm maxing out. But I haven't even deadlifted this yet, so I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to do that anyway, so we'll see. Anyway, first set of 400. 2 reps. Just gotta remember to stay tight. I just did 315 and it was super easy. Anyway, let's do it. All right, it is week 10, day 4. I have overhead press today. I think I have 3 sets of 2 with 155 pounds. I'm assuming it's not going to be any issue. I mean, anything with 2 reps, I'm sure I could just bang out. So should be pretty quick. I'm gonna do some behind the neck press after that, and just some lateral and frontal raises with dumbbells.